Crash course on Chile, wine country. Chile is renowned for its exceptional wine regions, where vineyards are nestled amidst stunning landscapes and produce some of the world's finest wines. From the fertile valleys of Maipo to the cool climates of Casablanca, Chile's wine country is a haven for wine enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. In this crash course, we will explore the fascinating world of Chilean wine, share captivating stories, and unveil the top 12 attractions that make this region a wine lover's paradise. Chilean wine has a rich history that dates back to the arrival of Spanish conquistadors in the 16th century. The country's unique geography, with the Andes Mountains to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west, creates diverse microclimates ideal for grape cultivation. Chile is known for producing a wide range of varietals, including Cabernet Sauvignon, Carmenere, Merlot, Chardonnay, and Sauvignon Blanc. One interesting story is the rediscovery of the Carmenere grape, which was thought to be extinct in the world but was later found thriving in Chilean vineyards. This unique grape variety has become a Chilean specialty, producing wines with rich flavors and aromas. Now, let's embark on a journey to Chile's wine country and discover its top 12 attractions. 1. Maipo Valley. Maipo Valley is the most traditional and renowned wine region in Chile. It is famous for its Cabernet Sauvignon and is home to some of the country's oldest and most prestigious wineries. 2. Colchagua Valley. Colchagua Valley is known for its picturesque vineyards and is recognized as one of the world's best wine regions. It is particularly acclaimed for its red wines, including Carmenere, Cabernet Sauvignon, and Syrah. 3. Casablanca Valley. Casablanca Valley is renowned for its cool climate wines, especially Chardonnay and Sauvignon Blanc. The valley's proximity to the ocean and morning fog create ideal conditions for producing crisp and elegant white wines. 4. Valle de Aconcagua. Valle de Aconcagua is one of the northernmost wine regions in Chile. It is known for its bold red wines, particularly Syrah, and offers breathtaking landscapes with the backdrop of the majestic Aconcagua mountain. 5. Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz is a charming town in the Colchagua Valley, offering a gateway to the region's wineries. It also features the Colchagua Museum, showcasing Chilean history, art, and artifacts. 6. Apalta. Apalta is a subregion within the Colchagua Valley, famous for its vineyards nestled in a natural amphitheater. It is known for producing exceptional Carmenere wines. 7. Cachapol Valley. Cachapol Valley is recognized for its red wines, particularly Carmenere and Cabernet Sauvignon. The region's vineyards are nestled amidst stunning landscapes, creating a picturesque setting for wine tasting. 8. Limari Valley. Limari Valley is known for its cool climate wines, especially Chardonnay and Syrah. It is characterized by its unique limestone soils and proximity to the Pacific Ocean. 9. Maule Valley. Maule Valley is one of the oldest wine regions in Chile and is famous for its traditional winemaking methods. It produces a wide range of varietals and is known for its rustic and robust red wines. 10. San Antonio Valley. San Antonio Valley is located close to the Pacific Ocean, producing cool climate wines such as Sauvignon Blanc and Pinot Noir. It is a region of scenic beauty, with vineyards set against a backdrop of rolling hills and the sea. 11. Ilquí Valley. Ilquí Valley is located in the northernmost part of Chile and is famous for its production of pisco, a traditional grape brandy. It also produces excellent white wines, including Muscat and Chardonnay. 12. Itata Valley. Itata Valley is an up-and-coming wine region known for its old vine Carignan and Sanso wines. It offers a unique wine tasting experience with a focus on artisanal and organic winemaking. These attractions in Chile's wine country offer a diverse range of experiences, from touring historic wineries to savoring world-class wines amidst breathtaking landscapes. Whether you are a wine aficionado or simply appreciate the beauty of vineyards, Chile's wine regions have something to captivate every visitor. To summarize, Chile's wine country is a treasure trove for wine enthusiasts, offering a blend of history, breathtaking landscapes, and exceptional wines. The top 12 attractions mentioned above showcase the diversity and beauty of Chile's wine regions, each with its unique characteristics and wine offerings. So, raise a glass and toast to the wonders of Chilean wine. Now, let's conclude this crash course with a poem and a song dedicated to Chile's wine country. Poem, a toast to Chile's wine country. In Chile's land, where vineyards grow, a symphony of flavors, for all to know. From valleys green to mountains grand, wine country's beauty, forever withstand. The sun-kissed grapes, in fertile soil, nurtured by nature's tender coil. A testament to time and art. Chile's wine, a masterpiece from the heart. From Maipo's bold and rich embrace, to Casablanca's cool and gentle grace. Colchagua's vineyards, picturesque and fine. Chilean wines, a taste divine. With every sip, a story told. Of ancient vines, and legends bold. A journey through history and time. In every glass, a moment sublime. So let us raise our glasses high. To Chile's wine, beneath the sky. In every bottle, a tale to share. Cheers to Chile's wine, beyond compare. Song, Wine Country Dreams. Verse 1. In Chile's heart, where the vineyards lie. A symphony of flavors, painting the sky. From the Andes' embrace to the ocean's breeze. Wine country dreams, bring us to our knees. Chorus. Oh, Chile's wine country, a land divine. Where grapes dance with sun, and rivers intertwine. From Maipo to Casablanca, the story unfolds. In every sip of wine, a tale untold. Verse 2. In Colchagua's valleys, where red wines sing. And Casablanca's whites take flight on the wing. With each glass poured, a journey begins. To taste the essence of Chilean winds. Bridge. From the vine to the barrel, the hands that toil. Crafting flavors that the earth does coil. In every bottle, a labor of love. Chile's wine, a gift from above. Chorus. Oh, Chile's wine country, a land divine. Where grapes dance with sun, and rivers intertwine. From Maipo to Casablanca, the story unfolds. In every sip of wine, a tale untold. Outrow. So let us raise our glasses high. To Chile's wine, beneath the sky. In every vineyard, a moment to seize. In Chile's wine country, our hearts find ease. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Hub Metaverse channel. Please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.